My name is Madhu Kumar, and I'm working with Owens Minors as an automation engineer lead as well as MVP to automation. I lead automation projects, building automation solutions that streamlines the operations and deliver measurable business value. So my work involves managing the team, optimizing the processes, and mentoring others in automation best practices. One of my proudest achievements in the recent days, the automation of inventory and SKU planning updates for the supply chain management team using Blue Yonder, which significantly improved efficiency and accuracy for the team. I want to deepen my expertise in AI integration within automation, specifically around machine learning and NLP. Start small, understand the process you are automating inside out, and don't rush into the complex solutions. And don't hesitate to seek a mentorship from the experienced professionals. So, mastering the fundamentals of RPA will set a solid foundation. Being an MVP is an honor and a responsibility to push the boundaries of automation. So, sharing knowledge and helping others succeed in the automation community. Automation is evolving rapidly, and I see it integrating more with AI and data analytics nowadays. So transforming how the industries optimize operations, reducing the cost, and drive innovation, leading to more intelligent and adaptive systems. I would automate managing my personal finances, like tracking expenses, investments, and budgeting. So this will save a lot of my time and ensuring accuracy as well. My favorite book is The Alchemist by Paulo. It beautifully captures the journey of self-discovery and pursuing one's dream. I have a passion of farming, which actually surprises many of the people who knows me since it is so different from my tech career.